Ever wondered about the secrets behind Warren Buffett's success? Known for his wealth, business acumen, and philanthropy, Buffett once outlined 4 elusive money secrets for success. Today, we're unraveling these secrets, one by one. Stick around till the end because the 4th secret is an absolute game changer, something rarely discussed but incredibly impactful. Let's dive in. Investing early and consistently. Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Warren Buffett. Investing early and consistently, often referred to as compound interest, is a key principle in Warren Buffett's approach to building wealth. The idea is to start investing as early as possible and regularly contribute to your investments over time. The power of compounding allows your initial investment to grow not only based on the principal amount but also on the accumulated earnings. For example, let's consider 2 individuals, Alice and Bob. Alice starts investing $1,000 per year at the age of 25 and continues to do so consistently until she turns 65. Bob, on the other hand, waits until he's 35 to start investing $1,000 per year and continues until he's 65. Assuming an average annual return of 7%, Alice, who started earlier, will likely end up with more money than Bob, despite investing the same amount annually. This is because her contributions had more time to compound and grow. This illustrates Buffett's emphasis on the importance of time in the market and the compounding effect, reinforcing the idea that starting early and being consistent in your investments can lead to significant wealth accumulation over the long term. If you enjoy this video, please smash the subscription button to join our community of like minds and subscribe in the comment section. Next, avoiding debt. Avoiding debt is a key money rule for Warren Buffett, and it means not borrowing money unnecessarily. Buffett advises against accumulating debt for things that don't contribute to future wealth or income. For example, let's say you want to buy a new TV. If you use a credit card to make the purchase and don't pay off the balance in full by the due date, you'll likely incur interest charges. Warren Buffett's advice would be to avoid this unnecessary debt by saving up and buying the TV with cash. By avoiding unnecessary debt, you save money on interest payments, which can be better used for investing or other financially beneficial activities. It also reduces the risk of getting into financial trouble if unforeseen circumstances affect your ability to repay debts. In simple terms, Buffett's rule on avoiding debt encourages financial discipline and prioritizing spending on things that contribute to your long-term financial well-being rather than accumulating debt for short-term wants. Next, mindful spending. Mindful spending is a money rule advocated by Warren Buffett that emphasizes being thoughtful and deliberate about how you use your money. It involves spending on things that truly matter to you while avoiding unnecessary or frivolous expenses. For instance, imagine you're considering buying a new smartphone. Instead of automatically purchasing the latest model just because it's trendy, mindful spending encourages you to consider whether the features it offers align with your actual needs. If the phone you currently have meets your needs adequately, spending on a new one might not be the most mindful use of your money. By practicing mindful spending, you focus on allocating your money to things that bring long-term value or happiness, rather than impulsively spending on items that might provide short-term satisfaction but don't significantly contribute to your overall well-being or financial goals. In essence, Buffett's principle of mindful spending encourages individuals to spend consciously, prioritizing expenses that align with their values and long-term goals, ultimately leading to a more intentional and fulfilling use of money. Lastly, continuous learning and patience. Continuous learning and patience is a money rule by Warren Buffett that stresses the importance of staying informed and being patient in the world of investing. Continuous learning means staying updated on financial markets, investment strategies, and economic trends. For instance, if you invest in stocks, continuously learning might involve understanding the companies you invest in, monitoring market trends, and staying informed about economic developments. This ongoing education helps you make more informed and strategic investment decisions. Patience, on the other hand, refers to the ability to wait for the right opportunities and give your investments time to grow. An example could be refraining from selling your stocks during a temporary market downturn but waiting for a potential recovery. In simple terms, Buffett's rule of continuous learning and patience advises investors to stay informed, adapt to changing conditions, and have the discipline to wait for the right moments. This approach aims for long-term success rather than reacting impulsively to short-term market fluctuations. These principles illustrate how the wealthy approach money with a long-term mindset, strategic financial planning, and a focus on making money work for them through investments and wise spending habits. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, please smash subscription button to stay updated on more amazing and transformative contents. Keep learning, keep improving, stay safe.